Good morning, students. Now we will continue today's English grammar lesson, direct and indirect speech. Now let's understand 6 steps to convert a direct speech to indirect speech. Identify change of reporting verb, removal of commas and use conjunction, change of pronoun, change of tense, update time specific words. The first step, identify. This is the most important step. You need to identify the 5 things here. Subject and object, reporting verb, what kind of sentence, first, second and third person, and tense. Subject, predicate and objects are the 3 different components when breaking the every sentences. For example, the teacher said to the student, "Why are you late?" Who or what performs the action of the verb is the subject. In this sentence, the teacher performing the action. So, the teacher is subject. Whoever or whatever receives that action is the object. The student is receiving that action. So, the student is object in this sentence. How do I identify reporting verb and reported speech? For example, he said, "I work in a factory." Reporting verb, the verb first part of sentence. For example, he said, she said, he says, they said, she says. Before the statement of a person in a sentence is called reporting verb. For example, a sentence of indirect speech is, he said that he worked in a factory. In this sentence, the second part, he worked in a factory, is called reported speech. So, reporting verb is said in this sentence. He worked in a factory is called reported speech. Change of reporting verb. Statement. Said to will be converted told. Said will be converted said. Says will be converted tells. Says to will be converted tells. Interrogative. Change of reporting verb asked. Imperative. Change of reporting verb asked, advised, requested, order. Exclamatory. Change of reporting verb exclaimed. First, second and third person are ways of describing points of views. First person, when I speak or I speak with friends, it's called first person. I, first person singular, we, first person plural. Second person, when I speak to you or a group of people, it's called second person. You, second person singular or plural. Third person, when I speak about someone or something, it's called third person. He, she, it, third person singular. They, third person plural. Type of sentences, conjunction used. Statement, used the conjunction that. Interrogative, 2 times. Yes or no type, used the conjunction if or whether. WH word type, used the conjunction WH words. Imperative. Imperative, used the conjunction to. Exclamatory, used the conjunction that. Change of pronoun. If first person, I, we, according to the subject of the reported speech. If second person, you, according to the object of the reported speech. Third person, he, she, they, any name. no change. Change of tense. Present tense is simple present will be converted simple past. Present perfect will be converted past perfect. Present continuous will be converted past continuous. Present perfect continuous will be converted past perfect continuous. Past tense. Past tense is simple past will be converted past perfect. Past continuous will be converted past perfect continuous. Past perfect no change. Past perfect continuous no change. Future tense. Future tense is simple future will changes into would. Future continuous will be changes into would be. Future perfect will have changes into would have. Future perfect continuous will have been changes into would have been. Update time specific words. This changes into that changes into those, now changes into then, here changes into there, today changes into that day, tomorrow changes into the next day, yesterday changes into the previous day, the last night changes into the previous night, can changes into good, may changes into might, salt changes into should, will changes into would, ago changes into before, just changes into then, come changes to go.